Are you ready to read our last question?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Read these lines from the poem. Those pure rivers which have known no will, no purpose but their own. These lines contain an example of A. Hyperbole, B. Onomatopoeia, C. Personification, and D. Simile.
Okay, so to answer this question, we have to have a little bit of background
Mm-hmm.
in poetry. Do you remember what hyperbole is?
Hyperbole is exaggeration. When
Okay.
you exaggerate something.
Okay, so that's something we exaggerate. What about an onomatopoeia?
Onomatopoeia is like when you say sounds that describe things like buzz and pow and stuff like that.
Good examples. What about personification?
Personification is when you give an inanimate object like personal, like person.
Personality traits?
Yeah, personality traits. Couldn't think of the word.
Good. And what about similes?
Simile is when you compare two things.
Good. Like or as. Excellent. Okay, so with this part of the poem, those pure rivers which have known no will, no purpose but their own. Which one of these do you think it's an example of?
I think it's the personification.
Why do you think that?
Because it says those rivers which have known no purpose but their own, like it's theirs.
Okay, so can rivers have things like that and memories? No. Alright, and why wouldn't it be hyperbole?
Because there's no exaggeration. And then onomatopoeia doesn't make sense because you're not using any words to describe the sound. And then simile, you're not comparing.
Excellent. Great, good job. You got all these questions right. Excellent. Do you feel more comfortable with poetry?
Yeah, now that I read it and understand everything.
Did you think it was difficult when you first looked at it?
Yeah, but now that after I read the passage, it was easier.
Do you practice this at all in school? Any ELA tests?
Sorta. Yeah.
Okay, I'm sure you will. Coming up. Okay, good job.